Hello everyone, this is Shubham Rajput and welcome to Prep Ninja. We are starting up this new series for the Accenture previous year questions. Here we will try to cover up the all the pseudocode which were asked in the Accenture. Okay, so before that, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, this is the first question, and here we have to give the what is the output of the code. So here they have given the 2D array and they have declared the two variables. Basically, they have used up the two for loops. That is the outer for loop. This is called is the outer for loop, and this is called the inner for loop. And in that, this particular operation is performed. Okay, so we will go towards the flow of the our code. So one thing we have to know that whenever this bigger array size is given, at that time we have to take for the our understanding, we have to take this small example. For example, it is very difficult to construct the 5 into 5 array. So what we will be do, we will take the 2 into 2 array. So instead of the 5, we will take it as 2 into 2 array. And whenever the we will modify this for loop, okay, it will go towards the 2 and it will go towards the 2. If we try to understand the working of this to for loop, it is trying to accessing the this element of the 2 into 2 array. This is our 2 into 2 array, and it is trying to accessing this all the boxes, all the cells. It is trying to access. Okay, but what the operation is performed here? That is here row become the column and column become the row. Okay, that is generally is performing trying to doing this code. Okay, we will go we will go according to our flow. Okay, so first of all we will insert here the elements. Okay, so this is the element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4, and this is the zeroth row and first row, and this is a zeroth column and first column. So initially k equal to 0 and j equal to 0, and at that time when this element is trying to accessing that 0th row and 0th column, so it is trying to accessing this first cell. Okay, and it will try to override this value with the 0th row and 0th column. It means that it will be replaced with the override by the this one only, so this one will be not changed. So when the inner for loop will be the incremented, at that time the value of the j become the 1, and it will try to access this element, that is the 0th row and first column, that is the k equal to 0 and j equal to 1, and it is trying to placing the value here, that is the first row and 0th column, because the j is a 1 and k is a 0. Okay, it will the 2 will be the overwritten will be the 3, because the in the first row and 0th column the 3 is present, hence this become the 3. Okay, and after that when the inner for loop will be the incremented, this condition become the false. This the control will be out come outside of this inner for loop, and it will go towards the outer for loop. At that time the value of the k become the incremented, so this value of the k become the 1. And when again this it come towards the inner for loop, then again the value of the j is initialized to 0. Okay, okay, this value of the j become the initialized to 0. So again the value of here we are trying to accessing this first row and 0th column. It means that we are trying to accessing this element. Okay, and here we are trying to placing the value trying to placing the value as the zero, zeroth, zeroth row and first column, zeroth row and first column, and earlier it was overwritten by the 3 only, so it will be not affected and it will be overwritten will be 3 only. Okay, and when the inner for loop will be again incremented, at that time the j become the 1, and it is trying to accessing the first row and first column, so it is trying to accessing the this element, and here it will be override by the first row and first column only, because the value of the k and j are the same. Finally, this condition become the false when this inner for loop will be again incremented, and control will go towards the outer for loop. And again then the value of the k will be the incremented, that is k become the 2, and then this condition become all the false, because 2 is not less than 2. So this condition become the false and control will go outside the flow. So this is our final array. So by analyzing this array, we will come towards the conclusion. Okay, so option A say that it gives the transpose of the given matrix. But what is the transpose? In the transpose, the row become the column and column become the row. But this is not the thing happening here. Okay, so A is the wrong answer. Option B say that it does not alter the given matrix. So this is also not the true. So this become the wrong. So but option C said that it make the given matrix A as a symmetric matrix. We know that what is meant by symmetric matrix. Okay, the symmetric matrix is a matrix where the transpose of that symmetric matrix is this that matrix only. It means that the matrix A is equal to the transpose of that matrix. And if we try to calculate the transpose of this matrix, then it become the 1, 3, and 3, 4. This row become this column become this row, and this column become this row. Okay, and if we see that this resultant matrix is the same. Okay, same, these both matrix are the same, hence we can say that this matrix, this pseudocode is giving the final output of this pseudocode is the symmetric matrix. Okay, hence we will tick this option. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this question, just comment below. We will try to solve this doubt. Thank you.